Hello Internet. On this occasion I will be picking open the PacLock 90A. I also have the PacLock 90A-Pro. And I got these in triplicate, mainly to see what the skill difference required is between them. So, let's have a first attempt at the PacLock 90A. Alright. So first note is it has this tier keyway, which has caused trouble for me repeatedly. So and the issue is not that it's paracentric or anything. It's tension wrench. Normal bottom keyway tension wrenches will work just fine. They've always, I don't know, they've always had the better of me. I have a few locks where I've just not quite gotten it. So that's interesting. That's going to make it difficult there. Another note, this notch right here is right where I want to put my pick. So it's making it hard to get at the pins. This could be the start of another multi-pick attempt series. This is going to require some thought to how I approach it here. Yep, I think I got one pin set at least. That's really only at the front, okay. I guess it's something else. So that's at least two pins set in this. I wish I remembered how many pins this thing had. Probably 5 or 6. So the tension method works. I just need to, what I really need is a thought on how to get at the pins better. Alright. So we've had a relatively quick look at the PacLock 90A. Let's see where the PacLock 90A-Pro is different. I don't know if it's just this particular keyway, but that is much wider. Let me grab one of my other ones and see if it's any different. No, these keyways are just wider. Which means I can just see, that is interesting, so that's going to be an issue. So if I use, because there's nothing there before the wrench, if I wrench it like, if I tension it like this, I'm just gonna, I need to be really careful about. Oh, so it's just enough to force it onto the tension wrench. Okay. So picking it it's going to try to force me to detension it if I tackle it that way. So that is clever. No. So the PacLock 90A-Pro has a keyway, at least that my ability to speak English is always questionable. It prevents my usual bottom of the keyway tension approach. Unfortunately for me, my top of the keyway tension skills are still extremely lackluster at this point, so that might be a beast for another day. But the PacLock 90As feel doable with my current skill set with a few tweaks to my approach. So look for more videos featuring these in the future. Until then, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like, and have a nice day.